Hi, do you find that you're always fighting fires in your business and your customers are always questioning you as to why things are going this way when it didn't happen like this last time? Where's a job up to? Your staff don't know what they should be doing next, they're always coming to you. Well then, stay tuned and watch this video today, and we're going to talk about how to streamline your business operations in order to become more productive and in order to delight your customers. So my name's Adam Sykes, founder of SwiftCase, the professional productivity platform, and today we're going to be talking about business process management and how you can implement streamlined business processes to make sure that everyone knows what they're doing and that your customers are happy and they keep coming back to you and you can grow your business. So if you want to watch more videos like this one, then don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and you can come and see more videos like this, and hopefully we can grow our businesses together. Today we're going to be talking about business processes and business operations. So if you don't know what I mean by that, then what we're talking about is the steps that you take in your business to offer your service or to create your product and deliver it to your customers. So it may be that you work in a service industry and you get inquiries, and then you need to deal with those inquiries internally, maybe produce a report for your customer, and then eventually deliver that report or that service to your customer, and they then pay you at the end of it, and you've done a completed service. That whole process has been completed, and it might go through a number of steps, or a number of people in your business, a number of employees might get involved in that job. So what you might find is that each one of those steps is done by a different person who has different skill set, or it might be that you have lots of people that do the same job, but they do in different orders, or they may be doing it they might be doing the process from start to finish individually. So it depends on your business how your process would look. It might be that you actually sell a physical product and you have to order in raw materials. You then have to build your product, and once you've built your product, you've then got to ship it and package it, and then you've got to actually get it to your customer, and they've got to, again, whether they pay you up front or they pay you at the end, it's all part of a process. And what you need to think about is your business is a series of step-by-step processes from when a project starts to when it completes and your customer's happy and they've paid you and everything's done. So the first thing you want to do if you want to streamline your business operations to become more productive is to actually get an understanding of what your business does. So this might sound obvious to you if you think, oh, I've started my business, I know what it does. We make this product and we build it here and we ship it out to our customers. But do you really know what each person does in the office? And does each person in the office or the factory or wherever your business operates, does each person know their position in the chain and how it works together as an organization? Because what you probably find is if you've never actually sat down and written it down, there's probably steps that you don't realize that you need to do, or maybe they don't happen every time. So maybe it only happens 1 in 10 times when a customer asks for something specific, though actually you need to do this additional process as well. And unless you're the person who normally does that, then you might find that that's when your staff come and ask you, oh, this customer's asked for this, what do we do? What happens if you're off? What happens if you're away on holiday, or you're sick, or the person who does the job's left the company? As a business owner, especially when you first start, you take your phone on holiday with you, you take your laptop on holiday with you. You don't get a holiday when you first start your business. And the reason for that is because you haven't put processes in place so that when you're not there, your business can continue. And streamlining business operations, this is what it's all about. You put in the process, you write down the steps, you document the steps that you take in your business to deliver your product and service. So once you've actually written down the steps, you'll find that then it opens up the world for you to improve those processes to streamline your operations. So you can start putting numbers against things, you can start putting times from stage 1 to stage 2, or from stage 2 to stage 4, and you can work out which of those processes, which of those stages in the process are the bottlenecks. What's causing you issues? What can you do to mitigate those issues? And this isn't all about just you being involved. This is about a whole organization-wide initiative. Make sure everyone can get their input in, not in a big design by committee stage, but just by having a policy, an open door policy, whatever you want to call it, where if someone says, look, we always do it like this, but actually could we try this? Well then, why not give it a go? Why not experiment? What a lot of companies do, a lot of successful companies do, is they'll run pilots or they'll trial things. If someone's got an idea of how to make something better, well then try it out. If it works, if you measure it and it's better, then put it in. And then this whole process of continual improvement, this is how you grow, this is how you grow your company, this is how you get better. And if you streamline your business operations so that your business can work when you're not there, well, one, you can finally have a holiday, but two, it's very easy to onboard new staff. If someone leaves your company, then you've got this process that someone new comes into. You can tell them exactly what they need to do. If they want to know what to do next, they know what to do next because it tells them in the process, this is what you need to do next. If you've done this part, then the next part is to do this next part of the process. And once something's written down and it's got a defined process, it also opens up the world of automation. Because if you can define something and it can be done by a computer or it can be automated in some other fashion, then you're able to make things more productive by taking out whole stages of a process. So for example, say you currently get inquiries and it's someone's job to say which person needs to go out to that particular call out to a particular appointment because they live or they operate in a certain geographical area. Now, that might be someone's job at the moment to ring up the person and go, we've got this job and you need to do this job on Tuesday, are you available? Because it might be someone who's got other commitments, it might be a subcontractor and you don't know necessarily straight away whether they're available. You've got someone who rings around and goes, oh, are you available to do this job? Oh no, you're doing this other job in such and such a place. And you have to go on to the next person. Now, this whole process is opened up to automation, so you could have a list of people that work for you or subcontract for you, the geographical areas where they actually operate at the moment, put an availability calendar in to see when they're available and what other jobs they've got. And then when a new inquiry comes in, it could automatically be assigned to the person who's got, one, the right skill set to do the job, two, they're available, and three, they're in the correct geographical location that the new inquiry is coming at. And that job can go all the way from a customer entering their details on your website or direct from their system, say using an API. They can talk into your system directly from there. So we've got other videos about APIs if you want to go and check those out. Just search on our channel, search for APIs. I think we've done a podcast on that. It's a great way to automate your business processes. But once you've got that data in, it can automatically be assigned to someone. They can go out, do their job, and they can enter all the data in that you need to collect for your particular service or product. And then that can go back into your system. You could automatically generate a report, have it a template that collates all the data and puts it in, and then that could be automatically emailed out to the client. And that whole process can be automated and it can make you much more productive. Now, if you don't know what your process is, you're not going to be able to automate it. So define your process first, get an understanding of your business, make sure you cut out any stages that are unnecessary, make sure that the right person's doing the right steps, so you allocate the right person for the right task at the right point. Add any automation into your process, so make anything that can be automated, make sure it's automated, and then always be continually improving, always be measuring to see where things in your process can be improved. Make an experiment, try out, see if the numbers are better, and continually improve your process. This is how you streamline your business operations, become more productive, and grow your business. So if you've liked watching today's video, then please subscribe down below and click the little bell for the notifications for when our next video comes online. It's been great talking to you. My name is Adam Sykes, founder of SwiftCase, the professional productivity platform. So if you want to drop a comment below, I'll join you in the comments about how you streamline your business operations, or if you need any advice about how to improve your business productivity through improving your business processes, then drop a comment below and I'll join you down there, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.